Yer, what's going on? It's your boy IJGTV with a food review. That's right, from Grotto's Pizza in New York. Description and location will be at the end of the video. This is something different, man. I'm doing something different with an app called Too Good To Go, which you'll also see at the end of the video. Get discounted food. Look at that. 3 slices for $6. Where you gonna get 3 slices for $6 in New York? That buffalo chicken, not looking good. You know I had to go bite right into it. My greedy self, and as you can see by the expression on my face, that thing was hitting. Come on, now I got me 2 margarita slices and a buffalo chicken slice for $6. That's only through Good To Go. Too Good To Go is the app. And this food at Grotto's Pizza, 65 New Street, was good to go too. Here's the address, here's the location, here's the app.